Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a good time. I wish you health and wellness. Myself Komal Kaur Sethi representing Shivjyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, previously you have studied Partho da Parkkeeper. Today I am here to teach you chapter 5 of your English textbook Gulmohar. So kids, open your book and take out page number 33. The title of the chapter is Nani Walks to the Park. Children, in this chapter you will see grandmother and her grandson going for a walk to the park. Children, you all have been to park. What are the things you see there? You see people running or walking, you see little children enjoying on slides or swings, you see people having a lovely day there. So we all love going to park. I think you also love going to park. Now we will start our chapter and we will see what other places Nani and her grandson visit. Let us start our chapter. Once a week, Nani, children mark the word N-A-N-I, Nani, goes to the park. Today Vikas wants to go with her. Children, here once a week means anything which happens one time in a week. So here Nani is your maternal grandmother, your mother's mother. She is going to park and her grandson Vikas wants to go with her. I walk slowly. I take my time to get there, says Nani. So children, mark the word take my time. T-A-K-E, take, M-Y, my, T-I-M-E, time. Take my time. Take my time means Nani is old, so she needs time. She walks slowly, she needs time to do something. Okay, when you take more time to do something, it is termed as take my time. I don't mind Nani, says Vikas. Okay, let's go, says Nani. She picks up her shopping bag and starts to cross the road. So children, they are ready to go. Nani picks up her shopping bag and they cross the road. But Nani says Vikas, the park is this way. We will go that way, says Nani. So Vikas is saying park is this way. But Nani said no, we will go that way. Pointing ahead, pointing in front direction. Let's go through the lane of treasure. Children, now mark the word L-A-N-E, lane, T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E-S, treasures. So lane is street or road and treasures are something valuable and beautiful. Anything which is precious to you, it is called as treasures. The lane of treasures. What a wonderful name for the market. The shops here sell everything. Nani stops to buy milk and other things. Children, mark the word wonderful, W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L, wonderful, B-U-Y, buy. So now they are going to lane of treasure and Vikas said, what a wonderful name for a market. There Nani stops and buy milk and other things. When Nani finishes shopping, Vikas points to a gate. Shall we take a shortcut to the park, Nani? So here Vikas is pointing to a gate and asking Nani that can we take a shortcut? Now mark the word S-H-O-R-T-C-U-T, shortcut. Shortcut is a shorter route or a quicker way to reach somewhere. Okay children? No, smiles Nani. We have to go through the lane of happiness first. Children, mark the word HAPPINESS, happiness. Happiness, when you are very happy, आप जब बहुत खुश होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं happiness. So, Vikas said, can we take a shortcut? Nani said, no, we have to go through the lane of happiness first. So, they walk ahead and turn left into a small lane. Now mark the word AHEAD, ahead. Ahead means to move in a front direction. So they move front and then they turn left into a small lane. Nani stops and calls softly, come, come. Suddenly dogs and cats tumble out from everywhere. Now mark the word tumble out, TUMBLE, tumble, OUT, out. Children, tumble out is roll out from all the direction. Whenever something left at your home, mama told you go, आप नीचे जाओ और गाय को रोटी दे दो, डॉग को मिल्क खिला दो, तो वो मिल्क पिला दो, तो what you do? You go and call them, come, come. That's how Nani is calling, come, come. So all the dogs and cats in that area got excited and they tumble out from all the direction. They roll out from all the direction and came running. Nani pours the milk into some bowls. Now mark the word POURS, pours. Vikas laughs as the animals lick their bowls clean. Mark the word LICK, lick. Children, नानी ने क्या किया? मिल्क को पोर किया बोल में. नानी pours the milk into bowl. Vikas laughs as the animals lick their bowls clean. Lick क्या होता है? It is the way cats or dogs drink or eat. जिस वे से कैट और डॉग्स खाना खाते हैं, सम एनिमल्स खाना खाते हैं, उनको हम कहते हैं लिक करना. ओके, सो एनिमल lick their bowls clean. They finish their food very fast and looking at them, Vikas is laughing. Then Nani and Vikas walks through a lane behind a little school. Then they walk through a lane behind a little school. They see many children laughing and playing. They are playing games like Langdi, Lagori and Sakli. Children, Langdi, Lagori and Sakli are the street games of India. We live in India. They are the street games of India. Your parents must have played them. After reading this chapter, go and ask your parents. They'll teach you how to play Langdi, Lagori and Sakli. Mark the word LANGDI, Langdi, LAGORI, Lagori, SAKHLI, Sakli. So, learn them and enjoy them. Okay, kids? Is this the lane of noise? Mark the word NOISE, noise. Ask Vikas, covering his ears. So, there children are playing, there are so much noise. So, Vikas asks, covering his ears, that is this the lane of noise? No, it's the lane of mischief. Mark the word MISCHIEF, mischief. Children, mischief is naughty behavior. Okay? It makes me think of you and your friends, laughs Nani. So, here Nani is saying that it makes me think of you and your friends. Lane of mischief makes me think of you and your friends. Have you named all the lanes in the city, Nani? Ask Vikas. So here Vikas is asking Nani that have you named all the lanes in the city? Not all, smiles Nani. Only the ones that are important to me. So Nani is saying not all, only the ones that are important to me, that are favorite to me. Come, let's go to the lane of friendship. Now mark the word FRIENDSHIP, friendship. Now they are going to lane of friendship. You all are friends. So there is a lane. in which Nani's friend lived, so she named it as a lane of friendship. Nani's friends lives in the lane of friendship. They were girls together and they have grown old together. Nani and her friend talk and laugh for some time. Then Nani hugs her friend and says goodbye. So her friend and Nani are enjoying their time. They are having good time talking and asking each other about well-being. So they are friends when they are little girls and now they have grown old. So they have a strong friendship bond. So children, the way when you go home, you say goodbye. Nani hugs her friend and says goodbye. Come Vikas, we will now walk through the lane of dreams. Mark the word D-R-E-A-M-S, dreams, says Nani. Children, now they are moving to lane of dreams. Dreams are sapne, जो आप देखते हैं. Okay, there are a lot of dreams people have. So let us see what is lane of dream. The lane of dreams has more books than Vikas School library. So lane of dreams is full of books. There are many books. There are books more than Vikas School library. Children, mark the word Library, library. Library is a place where we kept books. You also have a school library. Go and visit whenever you come to school, okay? We will go and see the library, okay children? The bookseller sells old book for very little money. Here, bookseller sells old books, जो पुरानी हो जाती है. Here, bookseller sells old book for very little money. Because they are old, so he sells them for very little money. Nani buys some books and says, let's go, we are almost at the park now. Nani buys some book and says, let's go, we are almost at the park now. हम पार्क पहुँचने ही वाले, okay? Nani and Vikas have to walk down the lane of magic to reach the park. So, to reach the park, where they have to walk, where they have to pass by, they have to pass by through the lane of magic. Magic, you all know, is Jadoo. Okay? Vikas looks up at the big shady trees and feels a cool breeze. Mark the word M-A-G-I-C, magic. B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. Children, Vikas looks up at the big trees, big, beautiful, flowery trees, and feels cool breeze. Whenever you are under a big, thick tree, what you feel? A gentle wind, that is called as breeze. The road is covered in red and yellow flowers. There, the road is covered with yellow and red flowers. It looks like a magic carpet. Children, mark the word C-A-R-P-E-T, carpet. Carpet is a beautiful soft covering of the floor. So, on that road, on a lane of magic, flowers, red and yellow flowers is looking like a magic carpet. At last, they are at the park. Vikas thinks of all the people and places he has seen. So there they reach the park and Vikas is thinking of all the people and places he has seen. I like your lanes, Nani, he says. So Vikas is saying that I like your lanes. Can I come with you next week too? So Vikas enjoyed so much that he is asking Nani that can I come with you next week too? So children, our chapter is over, bookwork. So children, open your book, take out page number 36. Question A. Match the correct lane to the reason for its name. So children, name of the lanes are given and their explanation is given to you that what the lanes are. You have to match the name with the correct lane. Number 1 is lane of friendship. So what is the answer? Answer is this is where Nani's old friend lives. Okay? Nani's old friend lives in lane of friendship. Number 2, lane of magic. So This lane is covered in flowers and looks like a magic carpet. Yes, it looks like a magic carpet. Flowers looks like a magic carpet. That is why it is called lane of magic. Now number 3, lane of treasure. Match it with this. It has the market where everything is sold. Lane of happiness. Match it with this. Watching the cats and dogs drink milk here makes Nani happy. So when cats and dogs finishes their milk, Nani and Vikas are very happy there. Lane of mischief. This is where many children laugh, play and have fun. So children are very naughty, they laugh, they have fun, that is why it is called lane of mischief. Children, copywork, new words. First we will revise new words, okay. Number 1, C-A-R-P-E-T, carpet. Number 2, F-R-I-E-N-D-S-H-I-P, friendship. Number 3, H-A-P-P-I-N-E-S-S, happiness. Number 4, T-U-M-B-L-E, tumble, O-U-T, out, tumble out. Number 5, L-A-N-E, lane. Number 6, S-H-O-R-T-C-U-T, shortcut. Okay children, word meaning. Number 1 is treasures. So what is the meaning of treasures? Beautiful and valuable things. Okay, what is the meaning of treasures? Beautiful and valuable things. Number 2, ahead. What is the meaning of ahead? Meaning of ahead is in front of. Number 3 is mischief. Meaning of mischief is naughty behavior. Make sentences. Number 1 is library. So sentence for this is, our school library has many books. Okay. Underline the word library. Number 2, market. She goes to the market once a week. So children, underline the word market. Number 3, park. A park is a place for fun. Underline the word park. Who said to whom? Number 1, is this the lane of noise? So who said these lines? Do you remember? Answer is Vikas said to Nani. Okay children. Number 2, let's go. We are almost at the park now. So who said these lines? Answer is Nani said to Vikas. Okay. Answer the questions. Question 1, why does Nani take a long time to get to the park? Answer is Nani takes time to get to the park because she takes a longer path to go there. What is the answer children? Because she takes a longer path to go there. Okay. Question 2, where does Nani take Vikas first? Answer is Nani takes Vikas first to the lane of treasures. So first they visited lane of treasures. Now question 3, why does Nani call the lane with the bookshops the lane of dreams? Answer is, she said so because books make us imagine different worlds through stories. There are many stories in the books about, some are about countries, some are about people, some are about different places that we have never visited. So it makes us imagine different worlds through stories. Okay. Now we will revise some new words of this chapter. Okay. P-A-R-K, park. L-A-N-E, lane. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E-S, treasures. H-A-P-P-I-N-E-S-S, happiness. M-A-G-I-C, magic. Children, B-R-E-E-Z-E. So children, I hope these words are clear to you. Now children, keep your book work and copy work updated. Kindly watch the recorded videos. Keep learning. Thank you.